Here we have the stunning 2020 Highlander Platinum and beautiful Blizzard Pearl. Highlander is equipped with LED headlights as well as an LED marker light as well as LED fog lights. It has also front parking sensors, has Toyota Safety Sense, so your lane departure, pre-collision system, pedestrian detection, and radar cruise control, all located between the Toyota emblem and the front windshield. Under the hood, we open it by this lever right here. We have the fuel efficient V6 engine with 295 horsepower. Your washer fluid goes right in this bottle opening right here. Engine dipsticks right here. Air filter and everything's all under here. Now your services are every 8,000 kilometers. The Highlander is equipped with alloy wheels. On the Platinum you have the large 20-inch rims with the all-season tires. So coming here on the passenger side of the Highlander, you do have the leather seats that are heated and cool. The passenger side does have power seats. Coming around the rear of the cabin, this is the middle row of the Highlander. So the Platinum is 7 seats, and you do have the third row in the back. The rear seats here are also heated. Coming over here to the rear climate control system, you do have the heated seat options and the rear climate temperature, where you want air to blow, fan speeds, all that options here. And you do have the USB and a 110 power outlet. To recline the middle row, this lever here will fold the seats flat. This lever here will move the seats forward and backwards. And this lever here will give you access to getting into the third row. So coming over to the rear of the Highlander, you do have the rear parking sensors, the stunning taillights right here. You do have the backup camera and the rear view mirror camera all right here. So to open the rear hatch, there's 3 ways you can do it. From the key fob right here, touchpad right here, or with the foot sensor at the bottom. So the Platinum comes with the cargo tonneau cover, so you can hide all your valuables in the trunk. Rear seats, to raise it up, you just pull this lever right here. And you have additional your storage area and your jack tools right here. Now the liftgate is also height adjustable. To close the hatch, you'll just press this button right here. The fuel door is located on the driver's side. To open the fuel door, you just press this button right here. And the Highlander does take regular gas. The rear windows on the Highlander do have an inbuilt sunshade. Just like that. Your mirrors are foldable, so they can go both ways. They do have blind spot monitoring, and they're also heated. As well as you do have the turn signals on the mirror. Coming on the driver's side here, you do have the memory seating. So set seat position, you just press set, seat 1. And we'll save the current seat position. Power windows, power door locks, and you do have your mirror adjustments. So the driver's seat here does have the 8-way power seat adjustment, so forward, backwards, lift it up, lower, as well as lift the front up as well, recline the back, and you do have the lumbar support. Right here you do have a secondary storage area. This little panel right here has your automatic high beams, your power liftgate, heated seats, your heated steering wheel, and your wiper de-icer. This special view button here initiates the 360 camera. So the view button, when pressed, activates the camera on the front, the camera under both mirrors, and the rear cameras to give you a 360 view of the vehicle and what's around you. Also, if I put the vehicle in reverse, the backup camera and the 360 camera will appear. And in drive, if you press the view button, the front camera and the 360 camera will also turn on. Coming over these buttons right here, that's your trip and odometer button and the dimmer for the instrument panels. Over here, the Highlander does have auto lighting, so at the nighttime your full headlighting system will turn on. Daytime, your full headlighting system will automatically turn off. Over here is your wipers. So one down will have your wipers in automatic, so once it senses rain, wipers will automatically turn on. Pull forward to wash the front, push back to wash the rear. To turn on the rear wipers, you turn this knob right here. So here you have a large center screen on your dash. This screen here is controlled by these series of buttons right here. So now we're going to go through these. So this here will tell you the fuel economy and how much distance you have left on the tank. Over here is your driving support, so your lane departure and navigation, so your compass. Audio, so what's playing. Your drivetrain and tire pressures. And tells you all your safety settings, your system status. So it tells you pre-collision, parking sensors, rear cross traffic alert, and blind spot are all on and working. Here's where you change settings for your lane departure pre-collision systems and all the warnings you got the vehicle needs to tell you about. So seat belts, washer fluid, low fuel, anything that needs your attention will appear on this menu. Coming over here is your phone, just to answer and hang up phone calls. This here is your voice command. Also will activate Siri and Google. And you have your volume for the audio. Coming over on this side of the steering wheel, you do have your radar cruise control. So once you turn cruise control on, so you can set the speed, and this here will adjust the distance of follow between you and the car in front of you. Button here is for the lane departure. So once it's on, you'll see the matching symbol up on the screen there. Mode, AM and FM radio, and your different presets for the radio. So on the Platinum, you do have the larger entertainment screen. So on this side here, you can adjust which side you want this little menu. You do have the climate control settings, so you can adjust the temperature by here or by these buttons down here. Right, so you have your temperature, your fan, turn it off, or you want an automatic mode, fan speeds, front and rear and mirror defrosters. You do have the passenger side temperature here, as well as heating and cooling seats, for both sides. All that you can access here as well. Heating including seats, climate control. You can also access your fuel economy, quick audio access. So if I turn the audio on, you'll see what is playing and your information. You can also hide it or move it to the other side. This here is your main audio and infotainment system. So the Platinum does have inbuilt navigation. So if you press the menu here, the map will bring up your navigation. So I press search icon. It will help me search for a destination. Going back by pressing the home button here, bring you to the home screen. If I touch menu, bring you up to your destination, so your navigation, audio, phone, so you access your phone log if you're not using Google, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, apps, projection that there has for the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Once again, information and your setup. Set up your phone, you would just go under setup, Bluetooth, and then you'll pair your device right there. Going back to our home screen, you can go to your audio settings by touching audio or the audio button right down here. So when that menu is pulled up, you can choose AM, FM, satellite radio, or Bluetooth. So if we choose FM radio, say we tune to a radio station, you can press and hold to save that radio station. So coming down below the entertainment screen, you do have this wonderful shelf here, as well as one there for your passenger. You have a little compartment where you can pop this out, run your phone chargers through there, and have your phone resting right up on there. Coming down here, you have a little more storage, as well as USB plug-in, so your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wire will go into there, as well as 2 outlets here to charge your phone. Coming over to the gear stick area, you do have your standard park, reverse, neutral, and drive, as well as your Tiptronic mode. Over here you have your different terrain select. So right now the vehicle is in normal. So if I put it up into sport, the screen will tell me drive mode sport, and the screen will turn red. If I push it down into eco, the screen will turn blue, and the screen will tell me it's in eco mode now. So if I turn the knob to the right, it turns into rock and dirt, so the screen will turn purple, and mud and sand is towards the left, the screen will turn yellow. And mud and sand and rock and dirt are just different terrain modes. So if you're traveling on different terrains, these are just different options you have. Now mud and sand turns off all your safety, traction control, pre-collision, and all that stuff, so we don't really recommend that. Put it back into normal mode, you just push for normal. Coming over here is your safety, traction control. So the vehicle stability and traction control is always on, so there's no really need to touch that button as well. Snow mode for snowy weather. This here will help you keep in control, helps the vehicle put power to the wheels in snowy conditions. Downhill assist and engine auto stop start settings are right here. Over here is the automated parking brake. So if we shift the vehicle from park to reverse, neutral, or drive, the automated parking brake will release. Put back into park, and the automatic handbrake will turn on. Button right beside it is brake hold. So say you're at a light and you want to take your foot off the brakes while you want the vehicle to remain stopped. Turning brake hold on will engage the brakes and hold the brakes until you release your foot off the brake and you touch the gas. Once you touch the accelerator, the brake hold will automatically turn off. Coming over to the roof now, this button here will open the sunshade to the panoramic roof. Over here will open, if you push it, it will also open the panoramic sunroof as well. Close it, you just push it forward. To tilt it, you just push it up. You do have the emergency SOS here that will connect you to a Toyota operator in case you need emergency medical or roadside assistance. You have your map lights right here. Cabin lights, so if you turn on the cabin lights when the door is open, as well as always on. You have your glove box here. So what will be inside is your owner's manuals. Then you have additional storage in here, as well as your wireless charger for your phone. Raise that up and you have more storage in here. Finally, inside the Highlander, the Platinum, you do have the auto dimming mirror, as well as you do have the camera in the back, so you can digitally see what's behind you. So if you have a lot of things in the truck that's blocking your view, you can just turn on the rear camera and it will turn on the screen inside here. The mirror is also equipped with your HomeLink garage door openers that you can program as well. The Highlander does have keyless entry, so the two lines here will lock the vehicle. If you put your hand right here, with the key being on you, the door will unlock and it'll be open again. So on the 2020 Highlander, it is equipped with a inbuilt remote starter. Start the Highlander, all you gotta do is just press lock, lock, and hold. It will flash 3 times and the engine will start up. The vehicle does have remote connect for 1 year as a trial period. So you can start the vehicle from your phone, lock and unlock anywhere in the world through your cell phone. So that here concludes the nice little tutorial of our beautiful Highlander. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact us here at Dixie Toyota.
Visit us at 1600 Toyo Circle in Mississauga or online at dixietoyota.com.